is thinner than before, but somehow clearer now. Edges start to show themselves without a sound. Windows hold a softer glow, the air feels wide, nothing feels unfamiliar, just quietly alive. The morning doesn't rush me, doesn't ask my name, it opens like a simple door that stays the same. I don't reach, I don't turn, I just notice what I learn. There's a quiet kind of new in the way the light appears. Nothing changing all at once, just becoming clear. There's a quiet kind of new in the space around my view. Not a start, not an ending, just a clear